Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just start with button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord, where we killing it. It's not something hard, just $10 per month. $10, you're going to make it within one signal. We're going to give it to you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle here, it's finished, which is that one here, that red one. Yesterday also we entered along from down here till up here. Then the market today, it shows us that red candle here. That normal because market makers, if you see here, that one here, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, every time the market doing the same thing like that. They doing that like that, like that, like that. Same thing will happen in here in that tree candle. So today we're going to see the real move, if the Bitcoin is going to break down or is going to go up. So everything still looking the same. There is nothing change here. The only thing now, the market here in the daily, it gave us here a new clear wage here. As you see it, you remember people they've been with us when we used to have one here like that. Now the same thing, the market it gave us here a new wage. Look at it. Very clear wage here in the daily. That one also we need to be focused if it's going to get broke up here for us to enter long. Until now it's still early. Me the most important now I'm going to focus about that trend line here. If it's going to get broke above here or no. So till now here in the daily there is nothing yet. Me I tell it to you before. I tell you when we touch here that 50 moving average to buy 25%. And I told you when we are going to touch here the 100 moving average we are going to buy 25% of what it left over from our capital. And if we touch here the 200 we go to buy 25%. So everything still the same, nothing was changed. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, is it here? As you see it here, we got today very special day. That's what me I told you today. We're going to see the real trend. We got here the Bank of England interest rate. So that one we need to be focused about it. As you see it, everyone here is accepting the Bank of England is going to add 25% or 25 points. So it's going to be the interest rate 5.25. That one we know it. Then the next thing we got initial jobless claim of USA. Then that one here and ISM non-manufacturing, and that one is going to tell us what's going to happen. Plus here that our friend the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us today. All your stocks they are falling. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because the debt selling and there is problems of debt in America. All the people now they are scared, but don't worry, the market is going to recover because us we just touched the last high of 2021, and that normal some people they are going to get scared, but also we're going to break it on. Me today I just gave people in my VIP Discord to buy some SP500. Even me I buy some. If it's going to dip more I'm going to buy because also we buying from corrections. We don't buying from the peaks. That's what also we doing. And here is our friend is the VIX. Look at it. Today the scarness is go back a little bit, go higher from 13 to 16 is high points. So that one is make you to wonder what's going to happen, but also we're still below 20. That means everything still looking the same. There is nothing new. And down here the US dollar, as you see it, today we break that 101. We are at 102. Even that one is telling us something it's not right in America, but let's hope tomorrow is going to fall down. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, yesterday, the Bitcoin is breaking here. That wage here, you remember it? That wage we used to have here. That one here, very clear wage here. It's getting broke here by that candle here. Then it went the market tail up here. Now it make that correction here. Let me show it to you. What's happening here? That's why also we gave a buying signal in our Discord and in our Telegram, because fall down here, it touched the trend line, but it couldn't break it down, and it gave us here that pin bar. Then next to it, a green candle here. That is indicating there is a move going to happen today. So let's focus about that move. And another thing, if you came down here to those tails here and you're doing a line like that, and you came to the top to those ones here and you're doing a line like that, you got a very clear down channel here. Also, we just touching the top here. Maybe you're going to fall down to touch the lower here, or maybe it's going to go back to touch the top here. So everything's still looking the same. There is nothing was changed, guys, here in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, also we are in a downtrend. There is nothing changed. In smaller time frames, yes, also we benefiting from those moves going up and going down. But in 4 hours for swing trading, also we stand in a downtrend, and everything is telling us that. Look at it here. You came even from here, from that one here, and you're doing a trend line like that, as you see it. That the channel me I told you, and you came here like that, as you see it. You got a very clear channel. The Bitcoin is being touched like that and like that and like that. Now, even now, the same thing here. So everything's still looking the same, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's breaking yesterday here, but the bulls, they don't got that power. Very quickly it go back to where is the bears they controlling. So that bad news here. But also we got here that divergence here. You remember it, I showed it to you yesterday. We need to be focused about it if we are going to touch it again or no. Or from here it's going to go back up. I just enter along and I give it as a signal. But sometimes we are right, sometimes we are wrong. That's why also we're using stop loss. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it's being here at the oversold area. So technically also we enter along because of that one here. When it's breaking here, that wedge or that triangle or name it whatever you want. Then the Bitcoin it fall down, it touches here again. Then also we enter along. Now we're waiting if the Bitcoin is going to go up and to break the last high, which is here. So everything's still looking the same. Here in 4 hours, everything's still looking the same. Nothing changed because that pin bar will happen in here. That was it telling us that the Bitcoin is going to go up. Another thing, look at it, that level here. You see here is a very stronger supply and demand zone. That one here and that one here. That way also we enter along because the price action it gave us and the level where we are. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, I miss an entry here because here it used to have here a very clear head and shoulder, as you see it here. It's getting broke here. We'll have here an enter, but me have been at that time at my job, so I miss it. Sorry, and I tell it to the people they follow me. Another thing here, we used to have here a trend line like that. We been followed all the whole day. It's getting broke at that level here, as you see it. And another thing, let me zoom it a little bit to explain to you those things, what I'm talking about. Look with me here, that the trend line also we've been talking about. If you see it like that, what the market done here, it's break the trend line here, yes or no? Then what it done here, if you zoom it a little bit and you see the market, he done like that, he came here, he testing the trend. Now we need the market to break that last high, which is here, for us to know that break it's real, guys. Also we enter in the first, when it's breaking here, we put stop loss down here. Until now we still holding our long. Another thing here, very important. Here you see what you got here. And if you came here to that place here, you got a very clear triangle here. Let me show it to you again or pictures get more clear to you, because I know some people they don't see, or I don't know what's wrong with them. If you see here, you came to those dots here, or those tails here, and you connect them like that. And you came to that one here, and you do it like that. What you got? A very, very, very clear triangle. If that one getting broke here, for people they haven't entered with us long, they can enter long level. Also, we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Second thing, what is it? Our indicator is down here at the oversold area. Also, we enter along because of the break of the trend line, but till now you can wait in the break of the triangle and you can enter long again, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.